Hey guys, so today I'm officially going to Boston today. So yeah, I'm so excited. I am leaving Georgia behind. I'm leaving the country behind and finally seeing if I do really like up north. So we'll see if I'll even survive the winter time, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and I have these headphones in right now because the first step that you need to do is empty your bowels before any trip. So I'm about to take a good shit. Yeah, so that I'm not uncomfortable on the plane ride, and my flight leaves at 6:10, but we're leaving the house at 3:30, and right now it's like 2:08, 2:10 or something like that. So yes, I'm super excited. So come along on this journey with me. I don't know. Okay guys, so I right now am just blow drying my hair. Because the humidity outside is 99%, y'all. Like, that is very terrible. It's funny because I have on my Georgia Southern shirt, and I'm leaving officially Georgia today, okay, honey? I cannot wait to start getting UMass t-shirts. I feel like a freshman again, kind of, because when I was a freshman, I used to always go to like every, little event. That's how I have so many Georgia Southern shirts. So I feel like it's an opportunity for me to be super involved in the school again, because I feel like I was so involved I didn't know anything. So, I wanted to know shit. I'm kind of sweating, so I'm gonna make this blow drying quick, and then we'll move to my mom's room, which has shitty lighting, but so does her bathroom. Let's get out of here. It's like so hot.
Something, there's a lot of good people. What they do, they go in the internet. Nothing is quite private here.
Yes. So this is what you see when you first walk into the house. This is like a dining room area. That's all my stuff. I'm the first one here. It's Monday. Since I'm a transfer student, I get to move in first. So that's that. Okay. I'm gonna close the light really quick. So far we have no roommates downstairs. And this is the upstairs. And then my room is right here when you see it. Okay, sorry, I just want to quickly show my mom my room.
That's yours if you are?
Yep, this is my room.
Okay.
And yes, this is all of my stuff. It's not even all my stuff. There's some stuff in the car. But yeah, now we're just gonna unpack and see what we can do.